Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to take a look at this flip clock. It's Sanyo Digital Clock. The model number is RM5320. I think it's from the early 70s, so pretty old. And this thing has multiple problems. So the radio isn't working quite well. So it has problems with the video signal. And the most important thing, the flip clock isn't flipping. So in today's video, I want to take a look at this and try to fix it if I can. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So first I try to solve the problem with the flip clock here. So I plug it in and then the lights here are still working. And this one here I think is working too. So the lights are working, but yeah, the flip clock is not working. So I put it here. So I put the stopwatch here and then I make a time lapse for a few minutes, and then you can see that the time is not changing here. So as you could see, the time didn't change here. I think this could have two reasons. First, my first guess would be that one of the gears is broken, which would be bad because I don't have any spares to replace those. Or the other one, which I hope it is there is I think a motor in it, and this motor ceased because this thing is so old. I hope it's this, but no more guesses. Let's get into this thing. So those are all the same screws, I think. Yeah, they are. So let's see. Okay. All the insides. Yes. So let's take a closer look. Oh, that looks very complicated. I hope I can get the radio running, but I'm not sure. That's here for AM and FM, okay. I think here is the power supply. And here is the motor, okay. Yeah. I think I have to get further in here. Does this come off? I don't know. So let's see. Yeah. There already came one off, but I have that part. Okay. Now, does this come off? It does. And this? No, I think the hole here is big enough. Okay, so this comes off. Yeah, I have to clean this, but no broken parts or anything, so that's good. So let's see. Here is the flip clock mechanism. I think if you turn this here, So this is working. Maybe the gears are okay. Yeah, the mechanism seems to work. Yeah, maybe it is the motor. So, but how can I get this out? Here are screws, here's one. And down here is one. Here is one, and here. So let me remove the 4 screws and then we see if I can take this out of the enclosure. Okay, there's one. And those are different lengths, so I have to be careful. We are in. This seems to work. Yeah, all these, the volume thing in here, I will put contact cleaner in here. I remove these screws. Okay. So now this is loose. Let me unscrew this thing here. It looks like a micro switch or something. And yes, let me zoom in. There's a micro switch. So I have to test this. Here is another micro switch. Maybe I have to remove the light bulb here. Okay, it's out. I will mark these where they go. So I got the motor out, all the clock mechanism. Let me get the motor out. Yeah, I think the motor is seized. All the tooth gears here seem to work. Yeah. So I plugged it in carefully. It tries to spin, but if I unplug it and plug it back in, no. What can I do? I think there is all old grease in there. Yeah. I never did this, so I don't know what to do. Maybe if I put it in IPA overnight to loosen all the old grease in here and then oil it back with a little, I don't know, oil for a sewing machine or something. Yeah, but that's not good. That's no good the way it is now. It tries to spin, but yeah, You see if I plug it in? That's not good. Yeah, I think that is what I will do. But it's not working anyway, so if I don't try it, because yeah, what's a flip clock that's not flipping? Oh, that's a good title for the thumbnail. If I put it like this, yeah, I think I will do that. And I let this overnight, so yeah, I have to wait a few hours. You don't. Okay, let me fetch my IPA. I put this over here carefully. And then I come back tomorrow. I see you in about 12-15 hours and you will see me in just a second. See you then. So I'm back, and for you it was just a second. For me it's left this in for about 24 hours. So now, so I hope all the gunk that was in there loosened up a little bit, so it feels a lot better. So I blow it out with a little bit of compressed air. So I would love to get this off too. Let me try it and then I report back if it's possible. So it's glued here and I try to cut this open very carefully. So I broke it here. Yeah, but okay, it comes off. Yeah, I think I can fix this with super glue or something. Yeah, because I really want to oil these things in here. But they turn nicely now. So now I will put a little bit of oil in here. Just a little bit. And maybe here a little bit, I don't know. So I will put this back on. Okay, and all these wheels here I will oil too in here, and then I will plug it in, adjust the mechanism, and then we can see if it works. So this plastic wheel I will oil too. It's like a Teflon grease. So I plug it in and then we see if the motor starts up. And yes, it started right up. So the motor is turning nice and freely. And now we just have to wait. Look at this. So I make a little bit of I speed it up and then you can see. So the clock is working. That's awesome. Yeah. The light here is working. Those two lights are working. So now I have this. I will clean all the switches now, first with a little bit of IPA and then with contact cleaner. So I think you could adjust all this with these dials and potentiometers or what else these things are, but yeah, I'm not a radio technician, so I don't know. Yeah, I clean this now. Yeah. See you in a bit. So now I cleaned it and put it back together. Yeah, sorry I didn't film it, I forgot to press record, so yeah. But now I will plug it in and then we see if it holds the time. Cold coffee. So yeah, it holds the time. Perfect. Yeah guys, I think that's enough for this video. Yeah, this was the primary thing I want to deal with, the clock. So that is working now. It cleaned up nicely, so that's good too. The radio I have to try. I will keep you updated. So I got the radio working too now.
Garmisch-Partenkirchen Richtung Leermoos zwischen Hörmannstraße und Kreuzstraße 1 Kilometer verteilt.
Maybe I put it in this video or in the next one. I will see. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was successful. If you liked the video, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again, thanks very much for watching this video and I see you in the next one. Bye.